Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing like a little quick get ready with me, but today we're going out to lunch and just running a few errands. Like I gotta go shopping today. So that's it. I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna show you the outfit and everything that I decided to wear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. With further ado, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so we're about to jump straight into it. I'm not talking. So I don't really know what to talk about. Like I have nothing to talk about. This is weird. So today, you guys, we are going on a little solo lunch, which I don't mind because I've been doing these a lot more for myself, and I can't even lie that I enjoyed them. I invited my sister, but she had things to do, which I understand. You know, content. I will link my sister's channel down below. You guys should definitely go check her out if you're like really into like music and vlogs and stuff. She does such an amazing job. She's so cute. So go check her out. But yeah, I invited my sister and she have content to like post and all that. So I said, girl, okay.
Things are about to get ugly.
Mix them up. Need some more setting powder, need some more foundation, need some more setting spray. Like we are about to, first I'm gonna eat and get some drinks. And then I'm gonna go grocery shopping because I haven't eaten today. I only had coffee. How fucking terrible. I decided to eat at this Thai place because the other two was just a no-go. Now I'm just trying to figure out exactly what I want to eat. I want to try something different because I usually just get fried rice. Hang on. Oh yeah, I usually just get fried rice, but I want to try something different. I just don't know what exactly. So, but we'll see. And I'm just here by myself, of course. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed content like this. I like promoting it and everything. I'm not promoting it, I like filming it for you guys. So my eyes look really weird and I don't know why. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.